my part is easy.
Welcome back to Disruption Brewed. Today I'm at the Travel Perk headquarters with
Marc, Research Operations.
Great. We're gonna have some coffee. Let's see what he's got to say.
With AI everywhere, I would say that one of the toughest challenges today is definitely balancing this automation with intention. It's tempting to be adding every AI tool, every AI feature, but I would say that less is more. You don't add these tools for the sake of it. You need to add those tools and integrate them, interconnected system, to create a smoother process and not create more noise. So you don't want that people start creating different workflows, individual, fragmented, completely separated. You don't want people to duplicate work. You want to make sure that everything is connected and has a clear objective. That's why I would say, from research ops perspective, the challenge is this. You want to scale operations, you want to scale research, but you don't want to scale chaos. Here, I'll mention two things. First one, great question. That's a tool we use for research. Basically, it has everything from research under one roof, from panel management, recruitment, running the sessions, incentives, you name it. Instead of jumping between 4 or 5 tools to run a study, you here have everything centralized, and obviously it allows us to scale operations. That's essential. Today, research is becoming more cross-functional and more high velocity. Talking about high velocity, second thing I wanted to mention is about an automation, a new AI tool that we integrated. Imagine a bot, AI Slack bot, that we connect with our data, our existing research. Having this, any stakeholder goes there, go to the bot and ask for specific insights about specific projects. And in one click, they get immediately all the relevant insights, research, reports. That's great. We avoid this duplicate, this working on something that's been already done, and more importantly, we speed up this decision making. So that's a clear example of automation with intention, as discussed before. First one, less is more. We talked about this challenge of tool overload. AI specifically, it can be powerful, but remember, you have to integrate it with intention, not just adding tools reactively. Please, don't scale chaos, scale research as research ops. Talking about research ops, product ops, design ops, research ops where I am, all these ops positions are the glue that hold the machine together, and that's important. Especially research ops, when you think about research and research is good, it feels effortless, participants show up, data is clean, all the processes are connected, the incentives are paid, tools are easy to use. That's not good luck, that's ops doing the work. And third one, we have to finish with AI. Consider AI as your assistant. AI help you, manual tasks, repetitive tasks, summaries, transcripts, etc. It will provide you a lot of free time, information, but you are the one, remember this, you are the one that have to take those decisions that affect quality and strategy. You are the one that need to take the important decisions thanks to AI.